Good morning.
Hello.
We're picking up the camera again. We didn't get to finish vlogging last week, but we're gonna show you around. We got the carpets cleaned because of this guy here. Melly one. Hi, bud. Hi,
Isn't that right?
Yeah.
You made them all yucky.
It's all right. But we're gonna do some cable management. We got some stuff from Amazon. We're still waiting for, what are we waiting for, babe?
2 or 3 more cables so that we can run the cable concealer all the way around here and all the way over there for the house.
Yeah, but this is pretty cool. It goes on the wall, and then you can put 3 cables in there, so.
And this is for the front door, like a little mat that the cables go through.
Oh, yeah.
So we don't have to go around the front door.
I didn't get the whole part, so the cables.
This is for the front door, so we don't have to go around it.
Yeah, because we used to have them going up around, and there was a black cable, so it looked pretty bad. But since we moved everything out from here, now we are able to do more cable management. Yeah, these are the cables that
Look at it all.
Look at the rat's nest of cables. So that's gonna be a lot more clean. But yeah, we are gonna do some chores still. There we go. So we're gonna finish our chores, do laundry, do Smiths, and we're gonna go eat. Please. Babe's hungry again. We're gonna see where we're gonna eat. We're not sure yet. So we'll catch you in a little bit.
Bye.
Bye. Hello.
All right.
We're gonna go eat. We're thinking of Harvest Cafe. So we're gonna head over there and we'll show you how it looks like. That was so good.
Oh my god, that was delicious.
The food was delicious. I like my waffle more than your French toast.
The French toast was bomb. The strawberry and the blueberry toppings, delicious.
Yeah. can start doing that cable stuff today, but we'll see. It's coming in tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then we looked on Best Buy to see like if they have those cords that we need, but they have it for almost double the price. So I don't think we're gonna do that because we need 2, and that would be $100 for 2. That's too much.
Yeah.
Opposed to the 60 pretty much for 2. But yeah.
Yep. Pretty much.
This one is huge. Oh my, look at this. What the hell?
Twins. Chardonnay.
Chardonnay.
Tea is the other way, and ice cream. Ice cream. We're gonna start doing our cable running project. Oop, the other way. The other way again. We're gonna put, so these are 2-part things, but we still need the other cable, which is coming tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put the base on. We're gonna clean our walls, stick the base on, and then tomorrow, when the cable comes in, we will put the cords in it and click the cap onto it. We don't want to like take the cap off tomorrow because it's cold today, and adhesive, when it's cold, it won't adhere.
Yeah, I can't.
So, yeah, we've had that issue with like decorations and stuff in the past.
Yeah.
So, let's see what we're working with here. We've got corner pieces. Oh, they're all banded together.
That's nice.
These are the corner pieces, all the different connectors.
Instructions.
Instructions.
And that's it.
And little length pieces that are gonna go against the wall.
So this is 310 or was it
306 inches. This is one of the longer ones. All right, you guys. So we got all of the ones that we had, all the track that we had stuck to the wall. We cleaned it up, and this is what it looks like for now. But we didn't have enough to finish the whole house. So we ordered another one, and it'll be here tomorrow, and we'll finish it. Same with the cable.
Yeah, with the cable. Plus, we have to wait 12 hours for this to fully stick to the wall.
Right,
that
the
way
adhesive.
it doesn't like come off. So, yeah.
Another day with a big empty living room.
So much space though.
We could do aerobics in here.
All right, guys, it's lunchtime. We're gonna make the Daily Trio sandwich. If You had this from Jack in the Box. I'm pretty sure you've heard of it then. But if you haven't, I'm going to show you what's in it. Sourdough, salami, ham, turkey, provolone cheese, Italian,
Creamy Italian.
creamy Italian, and pickles. And then we're going to use butter. And then I like the curly fries, these frozen ones that are Arby brand.
Throw them
So-
right in the air fryer.
We're gonna throw these in the air fryer.
Air fryer.
In the air fryer. And yeah, we're gonna show you how to make the sandwich.
Alrighty, first we rub some butter on the griddle.
Yeah, we got the air fryer going in the background, guys. Sorry.
Sorry about that. Get plenty of butter on there. Whip that sucker up. Boom. Smash it in. Not smash it, but you know, full contact with the griddle. We're gonna let that cook for a minute.
Okay, we have everything ready to go to warm up. Salami, turkey, ham, cheese, and the pickles.
Pickle sheets.
Yeah, and then we're gonna warm those up here. But first we're waiting for the bread to fully get toasted.
Alright, so put a little bit of sauce. Not too much. Sauce can get salty. Get your cheese. Rub in the sauce. Boom, boom. Now, while the bread grills, the cheese will melt. And while that does its thing, we can start to heat up our meats. Throw them right in there. I washed my hands. We're just trying to heat them up a little. We don't need any browning. We've got 4 minutes left on the air fryer. Let's see if we can beat that. So what's your guys' favorite sandwich? I think this is Carla's favorite.
This is my favorite, yeah.
But my favorite sandwich, I guess it must be a BLT because you can add so many extra little bits to it. Like one thing, like avocado. You can add avocado and make it so much better.
You don't cook these for too long.
No, just to heat them up. Gotta check your bread. Bread's looking good.
You guys can get any brand of meat that you want.
Yep. Turkey, salami, ham. Basically it. Stick it onto the cheese. At this point, we can turn off our bread. We don't want it to over toast. Yep. Throw one in. You can spread them.
Oh, you can spread these.
Yep, we can cut that. Thank you. A little bit more sauce.
I do like me some sauce.
Come on. Come on. That's good. Throw in some pickles. Almost won.
Almost.
The air fryer did it to us again, y'all. Get that. Boom, baby.
Yum.
French fries.
And that's lunch.
Taste test.
Taste test. Oh, fries stuck on mine. Think. Mmm. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
It's so warm and gooey because of cheese. And then the curly fry with the ketchup.
The dressing is nice and tangy. It kind of brings all the meats together. You know, all the meats have like that nice fattiness to it. The turkey has a nice like turkey, you know, it's good. Crispy bread, sourdough bread.
Mm-hmm. All right, we're gonna finish eating. We're going to TJ.
Shopping. Oh.
Tropical
There's a TJ, there's a Ross. You said there's a DD's.
discount.
And I think there was one more, but I couldn't see it on the map. It's a new shopping center for us.
Yeah, we made it.
All right, guys, we're here.
I'm excited. There's the DD's.
We're going to go to DD's first.
There's a Daiso.
Five Below.
Five Below. There's a TJ Maxx. There's a Dollar Tree here. I see boba. I'm not going for boba though. And Ross. And we finished our drink. So we're ready. We're ready. Let's do this. Purses. Was there anything you're looking for? A cardigan?
Yeah. So like those two sweaters that I have, those big, like oversized kind of collary sweaters, collar-y.
Cholera.
Collar. Yeah, and then like a cardigan that fits right because you know I've lost a little bit of weight, and a lot of my clothes don't fit very good right now.
How cute is that?
Oh yeah.
What fits there though?
One of the hearts is cricket.
Huh?
One of the hearts is cricket.
Cricket.
We had a crash, folks. Oh god, now we gotta adjust.
Readjust. I think we're good on the pants. Oh my god. Guess the price.
$22.50.
Nope. 45 liter. Wow.
How much is the price?
Oh, $14.99.
Freaking juked me with how much it holds. You guys, let us know in the comments, how long of a video do you like? Do you like a 20-minute video? Do you like a 30-minute video? Do you like an hour-long video?
Yeah. I personally like very long videos.
Yeah, I watch like VODs on YouTube. So like somebody streamed for like 4 hours. I'm cool with that.
Yeah, they're streaming for 4 hours though.
But as far as like actual videos, I could go at least about maybe 4 minutes all the way up to a good like 45-minute video, depending on what I'm watching about.
I like having videos where it feels like people are just talking to me. Or like anything that I can fold laundry to. Round two?
Round two.
This is a cute Kate Spade. That's so interesting. Oh. It goes all the way through.
It's pretty cool. A zip flap sack.
Yeah. Oh, the zipper sucks though. That's cute. I like this. Oh, they got the bigger version too. This must be an old must be an older model one.
Is this
120.
recording?
Huh?
Is this
It's
recording?
70.
Where are you going?
For $20? Where am I going with
Where are you
this?
going for $20?
Dancing.
Dancing.
That's the only place.
What kind of dancing? What kind of club is it?
Any club.
Any club? You're just going dancing with that thing? What are those?
The ones that get hot on your feet when you're in direct sun on the pavement. Pavement. Not pavement.
You got payments.
They're nice though. Baby, what color is that?
Oh my god. You're so out of line. Is it green?
It is. Good job.
I was going to say gray, but it's got a tinge to it.
You said you had a line.
Get your croc on.
Yeah, especially those green ones down there.
Yeah, those are huge though.
Try them on.
Sure. Got me.
Just keep your sock on. Oh my god.
I told you.
Those are bright though.
Freaking look at this. Look at this. My whole foot is almost out of that shoe.
Oh, nice.
Don't let me catch any of you out there wearing these things.
This is Autumn's least favorite aisle.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. These look nice though. Rachel Zoe. Doesn't smell like anything. Oh, can you hold it?
Ooh.
Never mind.
I will say this looks pretty cool, you guys. That looks really cool. Dragon fruit kiwi.
It's very subtle.
I like that.
There you go. Do you want to smell?
What's your guys' preferred method of scenting your house? Is it candles, oils, plug-ins, a little wax heater, meltables? What else is there? What are those aromatherapy? What do you call that?
Diffusers?
Yeah, oil diffusers.
Fresh brew. Gotta smell that one.
Oh, hit me with it.
This is espresso martini.
No, that's good. Ooh.
I know. I want to smell that one.
No, it's okay.
No. They missed their mark. The espresso martini. That's where it's at.
Yeah.
It's like you just grinded some beans, coffee beans.
You don't want to get it?
$14.99. Oh, they have a smaller one. No, I want the bigger one.
Whichever. Look at this thing, you guys.
That's actually nice.
And then it folds up. It literally folds into like.
It folds?
Oh, I just walked past it somewhere else. It folds.
Oh.
Bro, is that not cool?
That's pretty cool.
You can make it in a corner. And you can make it like out by itself. That's pretty cool.
Does it keep going? It sure, no, it does not.
It sure, nope.
For your plant.
Look at that.
This is nice. Oh, but yeah, I would decorate like Tea Party, Alice in Wonderland type. But
This
like,
is kind of cool. This is giving like
yeah, that'd be nice for the backyard.
Alice-y. I'm not gonna lie, I'm liking this rounded wooden kind of vibe.
Yeah. You like the tone of the wood too?
I don't really care. I'm colorblind. That stuff doesn't affect me. I look at the texture of it. The texture of it looks fine. The only thing is that like you can clearly see these lines, and this is not very well finished right there. Look at that thing. For my little one's last birthday, we got him one of these, and his parents got him one of these, and then he's got 4 lamb chops.
He had a double lamb chop.
Yeah.
No, 4 lamb chops. Oh,
Yeah.
how cute.
Quadruple lamb chop.
With the birds.
Here we are.
Last one.
Last stop. Look at that skyline. This part it is.
We're starting off strong. They have docks. So usually Ross will like go in for shoes.
Yeah, Ross has some pretty good shoes. They usually have docks.
Imagine drinking out of that. With the outside. It's textured.
You guys, this is... That's textured. Maruchan ramen bowl. Sometimes they have these ramen bowls, and there's a little hole for the chopsticks.
Go in.
Right here. But this one just has like a little notch. There, a little notch on the top, not a hole.
We'll stop recording here. We'll catch y'all later. It's Wednesday, my dudes. It's 8:30. We're driving to the other side of town.
Got a doctor's appointment.
Yep.
And then we're going to see what we can get into after that over there. Because we don't go down there very often.
Yeah.
So, should be an adventure.
Yeah, it said we should get there in like 30 minutes. It was kind of trafficy, but got better now.
Cleared up.
Yeah.
I think there's construction ahead too. But that's Vegas.
Yeah. It looks like it might rain today. It's actually kind of cloudy, but we'll see. Today is our Sunday. We go back to work tomorrow. So after all of that, we need a meal prep and make sure we get everything ready for the week. That way it's a smooth work week.
Yep. Nice and easy. Go to work, come home, chill out.
Yeah.
We still have to put our living room back together.
We're still waiting for...
We've got a long day.
Yeah, we have a long day. But I did see that Amazon said that something should be coming out. Is out for delivery, actually. So hopefully it's the cord and the rest of the... What is it called? The track for the cable. So
that can wait, but the cable we need, so we can at least get the part that's like behind the furniture done.
Yeah.
And then the rest of it is just like the hallway, which we can do any time of the day.
Yeah.
But I really want to get the living room and the dining room hooked back together.
Okay, guys, it's meal prep time. This week we're doing ravioli. We've got mozzarella and we've got mushroom ravioli. I've got some mushrooms, fresh mushrooms to chop up, a fresh onion to chop up, and I got these in the pan just to get some of the frozen water bits off of it, onion and bell peppers. So let's get to it. First, we're going to chop these mushrooms up, wash them already. So I've been cooking for a really long time now. I work as a cook, a line cook, and you learn a lot of things, you know. You learn how to use a knife properly. See how I'm holding it by right here on the blade. It helps give you more control and stability rather than this. It's like you're kind of like working some kind of a pump, you know? So you grab it and you hold it like an extension of your hand. And it does exactly what you tell it to do. See? And your other one, you want to pop your elbow out so that your thumb is tucked underneath. Like that. Keep your other fingers in front, and you want your knife to just go like that. Right against your fingers. I think everybody knows that by now. There's also different ways you learn to cut vegetables. It just depends on the dish. You know, you cut the vegetable for what's appropriate for what the dish is. If I was just doing like a bunch of fried mushrooms and onions, I would just quarter these and have nice big chunks. But we're doing ravioli, so we want kind of just some bits in there. So I've got the bell peppers and onions. We're just waiting for that to heat up. I've got water getting ready to boil. Once that's all ready, we're gonna throw these in and get to it. Mushrooms in there. Got an onion. In my experience, the best way to dice an onion, cut that end off. Don't worry about the paper. You do want to peel these little nasty hairs out as much as you can. Just twist them off. Cut right through the middle of it, and that gives you a good spot to peel it. And it all comes off. Oops. And then you throw it on the floor. Now, since an onion, let's see, since it's got like a ring, right? You want to cut it towards the center. Is it going to be perfect? No. Just do your best. Hold it all together so it doesn't get all frayed. Oop, got a loose skin. There we go. Probably could have sharpened my knife before this, but it's okay. All the way down to the root. Just a little bit left. And that's a diced onion, see? Perfectly shaped size. Everything, same. A couple little stringy bits, no problem. Right in our bowl. Peel this one, and we will not be throwing this one on the floor. Just peel the skin right off. Look at the spiral there. Cut it towards the center. And you don't want to cut all the way through. You just want to leave some space so it all stays connected. I'm going to have to hold it together a little. You just make all the strips the same size, and they'll all come out roughly the same size. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, so at this point, I got some bacon fat from earlier. Boom, throw that in. Get it all in there. We're gonna get these veggies in here. Get them all nicely coated. It looks like we could use a little bit more avocado oil. Boom, just a little bit. And we're gonna let this go. I think we can go on and add the rest of our ingredients, which today is going to be a little bit of Italian seasoning, a little bit of black pepper, some garlic, and some wine. Let's do this. This frozen garlic, we get this from Trader Joe's. This is amazing. You lose absolutely no flavor using this, like you would if you use the garlic. And you just punch them out. It punches right out. And that's the end of that pack. But I have 7 more. It's so good. Instantly you can smell it. It's busted up. It's minced so fine. You don't get any big chunks in there. It's amazing. Try it out. They also have ginger. Same way. So if you do like ginger tea or if you make any Asian sauces fresh, it's really useful. And like I said, you lose absolutely no flavor. It's so pungent. All right. Hit it with some black pepper. Oops, that's the big side. We want the small side. Boom. Just for a little kick. If it doesn't have kick, then it's not fighting. Some wine. We're gonna let that reduce. Let's see how that looks here in a second. Oh God, it smells so good. Our water is boiling for our pasta. Finally, 3 minutes. Just use a cooking timer, guys. Don't guess. 3 minutes. Done. Let it go. Forget about it. Stir it every couple seconds. You'll be all right. This is looking amazing. And since we're just using pesto, I think this is going to be a nice kick of like vegetable flavor for our ravioli. If we were using like a white sauce, I think this would be great too. Heck, I think this would be great in a red sauce too. I would use red wine in that case. A little bit of Italian, just like that. Give it that fragrance, that stank. Done. All right, guys, this is the final product. We threw the pesto in there with some extra Parmesan cheese and a piece of garlic bread. And this will be our meal for the week.